Okay, I just thought I'd take everyone through the Sledge Hammer. Now, if you're going to buy a Sledge Hammer for home, you can, but just make sure it's got a durable handle. This is my favorite fitness Sledge Hammer. I've owned everything from 20 kilos down to 6, and 6 to 8 kilos are probably my favorite to swing because you can swing them a little bit faster. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite way to do it so we get a nice even workout. We're going to stand in front of the tire a little bit wider than shoulder width apart with our knees bent. We're then going to take the hammer in our hand like this. So it's going to look like this, and we're going to go over the top of our shoulder and come down to the tire. I'm going to switch my hands and go over the top and come down to the tire. Okay? Now, head of the hammer horizontal. It'll stop it from bouncing around as much. So you're going to come up from the quarter squat, smash. Slide your hands up from the quarter squat, smash. That's the Sledge Hammer. Super fun exercise. It's pretty easy to get your hands on a tire, and it's also pretty easy to get your hands on a Sledge Hammer. So if you're struggling to buy kettlebells right now, get down to Bunnings and grab yourself a Sledge Hammer.